type of shit I seen, you probably wonder where I was. I was in the crib just sitting on a rug. Bass heads coming through looking for the plug. Now, born and raised in my area. Beautiful by day, by night, it's hysteria. Fuck around and bury it at night. Riding with my homies on sight. Mama tell me to come in at night. Now I really gotta go, but they never know. Living life to the fullest, I gotta blow. Finna bust in the dough, we got blow in the crib, in the kitchen over dinner for the baby with the bib. Goddamn, what it feel like. Middle of the night, waking up, scared for my life. Never had the heat, just a knife when the gag go back like that. Guarantee you it's a rap when the put you on your back like that. Just breathe like why mama green. Bullet to the dome like in a leave, gotta leave for the premises. To murder my nemesis. No, just stop. Before they even call the cops. Do it for the money and the bitches and the drugs and the props. Tell me why another body even got a drop. Get shot off top for some shit that was gang related.
Up first at 5 tonight, breaking news in Gaithersburg, where a massive manhunt is underway after a deadly shooting.
You're dead.
It's all unfolding in the 400 block of West Deer Park and 355. Our Montgomery County reporter joins us with the latest tonight.
Living life like this. Hope little Bobby never fight like this. Stab a motherfucker with a knife like this. All about the money on a night like this. Run up in the crib, put the bullet in your rib. Got a lot of gear, but I never had the chance. Never had the chance. Yeah. Stay strapped, but I hate it when I take it out. If you want it, I'ma lay it out. Oh, my little brother, make it out. Every night, what I pray about. Check it. Oh, yeah, got a son on the way. But I clean to the streets, even though I wanna run away. I imagine a better life. Why I never had a deader life. Hit you with the in the dead of night. Selling crack to my own pops. Pushing this weight on my own block. If I sell a brick, I can buy a house. If they find a key, they might lock me up. But I take the chance, cause I need that shit and don't give a fuck.
Oh, what the fuck?
Take the chance, cause I need that shit and don't give a fuck. Get down and lay down. Hit you with the Beretta, you better stay down. Straight shots on the playground. Living how I'm living with the life that I'm giving. Anybody that's riding with me, I'm riding with them. Show me the enemy and I'ma hit them. The second I bid them, I get them and hit them with the venom. Ain't no need to pretend I'ma never do it. I knew it, already been through it. I do it for the street, for the fam, for the life. Anybody that's gang related.
That didn't work.
Hey, I'm on your team, bro. That's why I waved.
God damn it. That was a good one. Oh shit.
Oh, fuck! I'm dead.
They're all running across to the right.